Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Volkswagen Atlas key battery full guide. Start by removing the mechanical key, press the release tab, and gently pry open the fob with a flat tool. Then remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the positive orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the plus facing up. Snap the halves back together, and test the remote and keyless entry before reinstalling the mechanical key. Choosing the right tools and a clean workspace makes this swap simple and safe. Use a small flat screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching, and wear a static-free glove if possible. Keep the CR2032 battery away from children and pets, recycle the old cell responsibly, and verify the fob housing seals properly to maintain water resistance. After replacement, test lock, unlock, and panic functions before driving again. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying practical fixes like this, consider upgrading small comforts too. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I personally find better socks make roadside key repairs more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. If this guide helped, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Your feedback helps shape future how to content. Now let's get back to the video. If your Atlas key still fails after battery replacement, reset the fob by locking and unlocking the car with the mechanical key, then press the fob buttons near the driver's door to re-establish communication. Check battery contact springs for corrosion and gently clean with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab if needed. If problems persist, try another fresh CR2032 or consult a dealer or locksmith for diagnostic testing of the transponder chip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.